am back with another video, you guys, and of course I'm back with my guys at Cars and Coffee Kuwait. Again, it's not like in the United States where it's once a month, or at least in Charlotte it's once a month. Here it is every Friday that the weather is nice. Now mind you, the weather is quote unquote nice here in the Middle East 90% of the time, and today we got a little bit of some rain this morning, and now it's very, very windy. We are right here on the ocean, you guys. It is crazy nice out here most of the time. We got a good bit of cars that are here. We got some new ones, so if you watched the last video, you're gonna see some new videos. Now you guys know everything 1320 here. So the next video I drop is actually going to be a drag strip video later on this afternoon. They have a bunch of races set up, so I can't wait for that. And outside of that, man, if you're new to the channel, lock in, hit the subscription button. Can't talk. Need this before my morning, right? And let's get to it. All right, it is very windy, so I'm trying to cover my mic and talk. But we got a couple of BMWs, right? Toyota Supra, nice little 330. Maybe you're ooh, M3. Look at me, I'm lying. I'm terrible with BMWs, man. We got the cops rolling through right now. Let's see what happens, you guys. Got a nice Acura. I called this something else last time. It is a Acura. Have a Mustang. Oh, and this has a carbon fiber hood. I didn't even notice. And a see-through hood. That's crazy. It is a 5.0. Got nice leather seats. Got another 5.0 in yellow. Got another gray 5.0. And then of course we come up on our first supercar of the day. Sorry, this wind is crazy. We got a nice R8. Can't beat that. A nice naturally aspirated V10. Got an SS Camaro, and I believe this one has the Corsa exhaust. It does. Yeah, I've seen this one before. That sounds super nice. Got an S2000. So it's got an upgraded turbo. It does. So it's a nice little race car. We got things in the window. My man is get the shot. Got a Corvette. Got a drop top BMW. Another Mustang. Man, I see Mustangs everywhere out here. It's crazy. Got an old Ford GT. We have, and I don't know if this is paint or a wrap, but it's kind of a shinier, almost candy cane red color. But it does go well with the car lines. Ooh, that wind is crazy. We came up on our first real Toyota Supra out here. And like I said, we got a nice Honda S2000. Got a Pontiac GTO, and this is, they got me this morning. I thought this was the owner's. This is an SRT 392 in purple. And I'm like, what? Did he take all of the stuff off? His car's over there. We'll get to that in a minute. Of course, we have the nice Viper TA with the carbon fiber, black stripes. This is one of my favorite specs. I said it in the last video, man, you cannot beat this. We have a nice silver ATSV. And of course, one of the owners, they're actually parked next to each other right here. He also owns a Viper. I think he owns another car as well. But you can see, the nice thing about living out here is you can run some sort of radial year round, and even his has a radial as well. It looks like a Proxy 888, maybe. I don't know, I can't tell. And then of course we get into some German engineering. Nice AMG. Nice AMG. Then we have another AMG in this yellow color, which I think is the best color that Mercedes makes for these cars. Super clean. Got a Nismo 370. Got an M4 competition. I think this is an M3. Blue with the carbon hood, carbon roof. Got a nice little lineup of BMWs, you know, old school. You can't beat that. But those are the cars that are here. I'm about to dive into two of my favorite cars here. So let's get, like I said, this is one of my favorite colors that Mercedes comes out with when it comes to these AMGs. And I want to say this is a GT63 S. Yes, I was about to say it must be an S with the wing. You can tell all the carbon fiber. Super clean. It just gives for me a little bit more of a track car, and when I say track, like the turning track, not the actual drag strip. And of course this is comparable to your Viper in a sense. This is a twin turbo V8. Has a little bit of power to it, but I'm still taking the Viper over your AMG. The next thing I want to get into is this SRT 392. Now, of course, the big difference of Scatpack versus SRT 392 and all the arguments that y'all saw, obviously you can tell it came with Hellcat rim, 6-piston Brembos. It has the slotted rotors, SRT on the seat, SRT on the steering wheel. So it did come with a lot of Hellcat features. If you guys know, ideally, this car has the same motor, same dang setup as a Scatpack. But of course, Dodge wanted to separate a few things when it came to the SRT Hellcats to the Scatpack. So don't start anything in my comments. I will drag you. But it is a super clean color. I like the plum crazy purple. But his is a built 440. This is your stock 392. But again, this one will hold a little bit more weight as far as resale value over a Scatpack. But super, super clean. All right, we got two race cars here. We got a nice Shelby Mustang on a Street SS. Not sure what's done to it, but it sounded crazy when he came in. We have a, I believe, a YSI Pro Charge Corvette with the Ford Stars, same setup as my 1320. Something about red cars and going fast, right? And you see a couple other cars pulled up as well. We have a nice orange C8. Seen this one a few times. This one shows up often. Has the orange rear diffuser with the gray seats. I do like the gray seats with the orange seat belts in that one. That one's pretty clean. Oh, this is not the orange diffuser one. This is something different, okay? So it has the orange cover. Super, super clean, you guys.